Today we are going to learn about home quarantine in context of COVID-19. Now for understanding home quarantine we have to learn about contact. What is a contact? A contact is defined as a healthy person who has been in such association with an infected person or in a contaminated environment as to have exposed and therefore at a higher risk of developing disease. Home quarantine is applicable to all such contacts of a suspect and a confirmed case. So in context of COVID-19, a contact is a person living in the same household as a COVID-19 case or having direct physical contact with a COVID-19 case or in a closed environment or had a face-to-face contact at a distance of within 1 meter including air travel. So there are certain instructions to be followed by the contacts being home quarantined. So this person should be staying in a well-ventilated single room, preferably with an attached separate toilet and bathroom. Other family members to maintain a distance of at least 1 meter. Avoid close contact with elderly persons in the family, pregnant women, children, and persons with comorbidities or serious or chronic illnesses within the household. They have to also avoid any social or religious gatherings like wedding, condolences, etc. In fact, they should not move out of the house unnecessarily. Then there are instructions for this person like frequent hand washing with soap and water. Avoid sharing household items like utensils and clothes and towels, etc. This person must wear a surgical mask and that mask has to be changed every 6 to 8 hours. Mask should be disinfected using either ordinary bleach solution 5% or 1% sodium hypochlorite solution and then disposed of either by burning or deep burial. Used mask should be considered as potentially infected. And if there are any symptoms like cough, fever or difficulty in breathing, then this person should immediately inform the nearest health center or call the helpline. Only one assigned family member should take care of this person in quarantine. There should be no direct skin-to-skin contact with this person. One needs to use disposable gloves while cleaning the surfaces or handling the soiled linen. Wash hands after removing gloves. Visitors should not be allowed in any circumstances. In case the person being quarantined becomes symptomatic, all his close contacts will be home quarantined for 14 days and followed up for an additional 14 days or till the report of such case turns negative if that happens before these 14 days. One must also consider environmental sanitation. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces in the quarantined person's room, for example bed frames, tables, etc. daily with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. Clean and disinfect toilet surfaces daily with regular household bleach solution or phenolic disinfectants. Clean the clothes and other linen used by the person separately using common household detergent and then dry. Thank you so much.